send it to her. Esther. Esther.
Sir?
Where do you say you have issues? Can I see your screen?
No, is that showing?
Huh?
Is that showing?
It's showing. Let me see your screen. You
Okay,
have.
she's okay now.
You're okay now, right?
Yes, sir.
So why are you always in a haste to say it's not open?
It was not showing before.
Okay, so you're not sure you're getting it right, right?
Yes, sir.
Because since you people have made me to come back, let's write something else.
Okay.
So let me just try to explain one or two things. Okay, and you see how neat mine is? Capital letters where capital letters are supposed to be.
Okay.
All right, let's return to W3 schools.
We are to return to where?
To W3 schools.
Or visual. Okay.
W3 schools, not visual code.
Okay, sir.
So we've already acknowledged that HTML is hypertext markup language.
Yeah.
HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of web pages. HTML consists of series of elements. Please take note of this. H1 is element. All right. So for us to be able to understand what H1 is, the H1 element, let us head back to our code editor. Now this is H1, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we just want to say, my name is, I want to put it on the same line. I'm going to say my name is Esther, right? Okay. Now
Yeah.
I'm gonna copy my name is Esther and hold it. Do the same, please code along with me. Then I declare H2 and I paste my name is Esther in the middle. H3 and I paste my name is Esther in the middle. H4, my name is Esther. Are you with me?
Yeah, I'm watching what you're doing.
Then I'll give you time to do it. H4, H5, my name is my name Esther? Esther.
Sir?
What is my name?
Your name is...
My name is Esther.
Your name is Shweta.
Okay. Then we go to H5, H6. Then paragraph is represented by P. I save it. Now remember I said we have H1 to H6. Do you remember?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now, this represents text sizes. All of us, I believe, do we know how to type in Microsoft Word?
Yes.
Okay, so this is like saying 14 font size, 20 font size, 50 font size. And
Okay.
so if I say take H1 for heading. That means that I want that thing to be bigger than maybe H5 or H6.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
So let me head to the browser. I open with Lifesaver. Have you seen?
Okay. Okay.
You see the hierarchy from H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Then paragraph looks like H4, but it's not bold.
Yeah, it's not bold. Yes.
Do you understand now? So this is what we call elements, the H element, the heading element of HTML, which this controls how your write-up will be in HTML. But when we apply CSS, you can be able to customize the size of your text to whatever you want to. Do you understand? For instance, in HTML, I cannot make this bigger than this. Okay? It can't be bigger than this, but see something. Let me just give you a tip of CSS. I'm going to apply an inline CSS. Don't ask me what it is until I teach us CSS.
Okay.
And I say font size. Look at this, 200 pixel. Watch what is going to happen in my browser. Did you see that?
Okay. Yes.
That is what CSS does. CSS customizes your web page to whatever you want. I can say font size 20. I mean font size 100. Let's see. Have you seen?
Yes.
Then I can jump to the paragraph here. Remember that paragraph is represented by P.
Okay.
I can jump to paragraph and declare I want to add style to paragraph. And I say font size 70 pixel. Have you seen?
Yes.
Esther, are you following me?
Yes, sir.
So CSS helps you to customize your web page. Now this looks like a web page now, a website, right?
Yeah.
An empty website that nothing has been placed on, just text. All right. Okay, so these are the paragraph element and the heading element of HTML. We have a lot of elements, like I said, thousands of them. So as we continue to learn, you will be introduced to most of these elements. Please, I'm going to remove the style sheet. We've not entered the CSS yet to understand. Any question, please?
Yeah. After you have the H1, my name is Esther. How did you declare the H2?
Just type the H2 the same way you type the H1. But it is advisable.
It was if you copied, you did a kind of, you selected.
Yes, I copied my name is. Do you understand?
Yes,
I copied my name is Esther, and I had to keep pasting it. But please, I'm doing that because as a pro, it is not advisable to be copying and pasting. As a web developer, learn to type. Do you understand?
Yes.
Learn to type. For instance, now, you need to know how to type all this code. To type H1, for instance, the code editor we are using is doing us harm. Do you know what I'm saying? It's doing us harm.
Excuse me, sir.
Huh?
Excuse me, sir.
Esther, what do you say?
My laptop is already 20%. It's going to off very soon. And my phone too is 1%.
Yes, we are almost done. Do you know why I'm saying that the code editor we are using is doing us harm?
Because it's giving us
Because it's
tips.
suggesting the next thing you should type.
Okay, yeah.
You understand? So those expos the code editor is giving you is not too good for you.
Hello?
So learn to type. For instance, if you go to your notepad on your system, right? Huh?
No, no, it's you.
If you go to your notepad, I'm not asking you to go. Now look at this H1. I typed
I go just check around now.
What do you say? I type my name is Imo, right?
Yeah.
Are you guys following?
Yes, sir.
And I close it. Remember the closing tag is this, then slash H1.
I'll call you back tomorrow time.
Esther, have you seen?
Yes, sir. I'm seeing
Now
it.
you can use your note. In fact, you can write your code anywhere, even your notebook, and it is still HTML code. If I copy this, look at this. If I copy this, go to my code and paste it here. Imo, are you following?
Yes, sir.
If I copy and paste it here, it's the same, right?
Okay.
Yes.
And I save it, it will still appear on the browser. Let's go to the browser and check. It's here. My name is Imo.
Okay. Yes.
So
It's there.
learn to write your code. Even if I declare the paragraph here, you understand? Remember, it's greater than and less than. I say Esther
No.
system will
Let me put it
off
on.
now. And are you with me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Esther system will off now. And I end it with the closing tag of the paragraph. I save it. No need to save. Just copy. Except you want to save it, they work into your system. I just copy it and I paste it. Probably it is the same. And I save it. You go back to your code. It's there. Esther system will off now. So you can use even Microsoft Word to write the code. But why you use the code editor is that it will help you to be able to save your work in the format that it will open in your browser. Are you with me? In fact, I can still save this as, look at this, I can still save it as index.html, right? Or in fact, let me save it web development, web.html. Let's see if it's going to open. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Let's go back to my desktop. See it here. Have you seen? See it here. Can we see it?
Okay.
Now, is it not now looking like the HTML document? It's the same.
It is.
And I open it. You see, my name is Imo. Esther system will off now. So you can write your code anywhere. Don't because of don't fall in love with VS Code just because it suggests what you should type. Learn to type, please. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
You will master the closing tags and the end tags. If you are used to, immediately you type the H1, it now suggests what to do and you press enter. And you are now typing because it suggests for you. You will not know what the end tag and the closing tag looks like. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want to give us an assignment. Now, I want you to create a new folder.
Okay.
Create a new folder and name the folder my assignment. You're supposed to write it down. Name the folder my assignment. When you name it my assignment, go to your VS Code create an HTML file. Add new file, that is an HTML file, the same way you added index.html. Are you with me?
I should go to VS Code, create a new folder.
When you are done creating a folder on your desktop, head onto your VS Code and create a folder. Name that folder, create a file. Name that file index.html and save it inside the folder that you created on your desktop. Is that understood?
Okay. Name the file index.html and save it under the folder. Save it inside the folder.
Yes. Then open the index.html as if you want to write your code. Bring out the boilerplate. Do you remember how to bring out the boilerplate?
Yes, very well.
You press hold on shift and press 1. Then inside the open the HTML.
Open the VS Code and bring out the boilerplate.
Okay. Then inside your HTML code, inside your body tag, I want you to write just one line of code using H5. My name is, then you write your name. H5. My name is, you write your name. Is that simple enough? Is that
write
okay?
A line of code. Yeah, write a line of code using the
H5.
Okay. My name is. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Esther, do you understand the assignment? Is she with me?
I think Esther is on.
Oh, Esther is, her system went off. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. You do have a nice night. Good night.
All right. Thank you. Good night, sir. I think you're going to share the assignment with Esther.
Yes, please. I'm going to create a. Did you type the assignment?
Yes, yes.
Okay, please, you send it to